Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM and HCF of 510 and 92. To find the LCM and HCF, we need to first find the factors of these numbers. For that, we are going to be using the long division method or the prime factorization method. So first we'll find the factors of 510. So we are going to write the number like this and start dividing it by the prime factors. I'm going to write first four prime numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7. These are the first four prime numbers. I'm going to write these here so that it is easy for us to our prime factorization method. As 510 is an even number, so we are going to divide this by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 5 is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. Now we see that this is an odd number and it is divisible by 3. So we are going to take 3 as the prime divisor and we'll divide this number. So 3 times 8 is 24 and 3 times 5 is 15. 85 is not divisible by 3. So we are going to take the next prime number, which is 5. So 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 7 is 35. Now 17 is a prime number, so it is only divisible by 17. So here we got all the factors. So here our division is completed. Now we'll find the factors of 92. So we'll write 92 like this. And as 92 is an even number, so we are going to divide it by 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. 1 is carried over to the next place. So this is 12. So 2 times 6 is 12. Now again this is an even number. So we are going to use 2 as the divisor. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 3 is 6. 23 is an odd number and it is a prime number too. So it is only divisible by 23. So 23 times 1 is 23. We have got the factors of 510 and 92. Now we are going to write the factors of both the numbers. Now first we'll find the LCM of these numbers. For that we are going to write the numbers like this. So for finding the LCM, we need to first find the common factors in between the two numbers. So here we see that there is only one common factor, which is 2. So we'll circle the common factors here. LCM is the product of the common factor, which is 2, and all the uncommon factors. So for finding the LCM, we have to take the common factor only once, take the product of all the factors. So here we have taken 2 only once, and now we'll write all the factors which are left. So this becomes 3 times 5 times 17 times 2 times 23. So this is our LCM, which comes out to be 23,460. This is the LCM of 510 and 92. We'll box the answer and now we'll find the HCF of the two numbers. So for finding the HCF, we are going to write the factors of both the numbers as we have written for finding the LCM like this. For HCF, we have to find the product of all the common factors in between the two numbers. Here the only common factor is 2. Our HCF will become 2. So the LCM of the two numbers is 23,460 and HCF is 2. So I hope this video is helpful to you and you can find the LCM and HCF of any number. Thanks for watching.